Tell me, how can parents improve their children's academic performance with music?
Studies are showing us that intensive music learning on an instrument and reading music are the best ways to get that music boost.
Recent studies show students who participate in music can be up to 1 year ahead in math, science, and even English. Tell us exactly how these realms are connected.
They looked at 100,000 students, and over that huge population found that the students, like you said, who were doing intensive music learning, who were learning to read music, doing all of that together, those students were an average of 1 year ahead of their peers in academics.
Music has a positive impact on a child's academic performance. How is that and why?
Intensive music learning and also reading music are the best ways to get that music brain boost in academics. So that means students who already play an instrument should learn to read, students who sing should learn to play music, and for children and adults who haven't started playing yet, who knows, maybe this is the year.